Hey guys! Oh, it's not baking day. This is my new baking cap. Just wait until baking day. I was thinking of a recipe and I came across this super easy, thick and creamy ground beef in shells. It is so easy to put together, super delicious. You can do it in about half an hour. So let me walk you through it. Okay guys, to kick things off here, I'm going to add some olive oil to a pan over medium-high heat. And put about half a kilo or a pound of medium ground beef in. And guys, I swear in my next video, I swear, I'm going to make my own ground beef in the food processor. So we'll just go ahead and fry this up until it's nicely browned. After about 5 minutes, we're nicely browned up here. So I'm going to drain some of that excess water and fat off. And just place this in a bowl and set it aside. In the same pan, and you don't want to touch this pan because there's so many nice flavors happening here, I'm going to add in half a chopped onion, 3 cloves of chopped garlic, a teaspoon of Italian seasoning. I just love Italian seasoning. And we're just going to stir and saute this until the onions are translucent and that marvelous smell of garlic just fills the air. Next up, what you want to do is add in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. And we'll just stir and cook this until the flour is brown and cooked through. Now we'll pour in 2 cups of beef broth. A 15-ounce bottle of spaghetti sauce. Now I'm using spaghetti sauce. You can use tomato sauce too if you want it just a little bit thicker. And of course, a stirring we will go until everything is nicely combined. Alrighty then, in the words of the philosopher Jim Carrey, we're just going to let this simmer away for about 10 minutes. Okay, well, the sauce is simmering. I'm going to boil up the pasta, or the shells I should say, in some salt water just until it's al dente. After we're done to al dente here, I'm just going to set this aside. The sauce is simmered for about 10 minutes and guys, it just smells incredible. So I'm going to add the beef back in, followed by the pasta shells that we just cooked up. Pour in 3/4 of a cup of heavy cream. Now this is just table cream, but you can use the cream of your choice. Give it a season with some good old ground black pepper. And salt, of course. And we'll give it a mix until everything is nicely combined and ooh, doggies, does this ever look good. Oh, by the way guys, what do you call a fake noodle? An impasta. And last but not least, to make this extra sensationally yummy, I'm going to add in a cup of old sharp cheddar cheese. It doesn't have to be old sharp cheddar, you can use Monterey Jack, mozzarella, whatever you like. I just like the old sharp cheddar. After simmering for an extra couple of minutes, there you have it guys, our thick and creamy ground beef and shells. It doesn't get any better. So we'll just go ahead and spoon this into our casserole dish just to make it look real pretty like. There you have it guys, our thick and creamy ground beef and shells. It doesn't get any better. Okay guys, it's chow time. Time to dig in. Just look at this. Nice and piping hot. Oh, it looks so good. Okay. This is really good. I love the creaminess. You can taste the garlic, the onions, the Italian seasoning, and it's so thick and creamy because of the cheese and the cream. Super, super good. I'm gonna have more of this. Have it with some bread. Just yummy. Even a garden salad. So for this recipe and many more great recipes, head on over to Cook and Share. Like I keep saying, the site's been totally revamped. You're gonna love it. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay safe, and see you next time. And I'm gonna eat more. This is good. Good.